and we are working with Zeta Tau Alpha sorority to help better their login system for when they have study tables throughout the week. When we talked about their extreme users, when we did the interviews and met with the sisters throughout last week and before, a common theme was issues with the study table login system. Usually it's just a piece of paper that girls can write down their times and stuff, and it's very easy to lie about when you signed in and stuff, and about signing in for other sisters, and it's not very, the honor system is not very applied well. So we have worked to create an online website that goes along with their IU chapter website. So it's a part of the regular website. So when you first go to the website, the first thing that's going to pop up is you're going to get this screen, and this screen is only for the academic chair, so no other sister can log in and lie about stuff. It's just for the academic chair, and the academic chair is going to log in with the username and password that she's created. And so there's things like when you're typing on each line, it'll show you with the box will turn yellow. It'll show you which box you're typing in, so it's easier for you to understand which box you're typing in. And also, when you're typing in a password, instead of the characters showing up, it'll come up, the characters will be stars to keep your password safe. And this will be throughout the entire system. These are both for when you're logging in later on as well. And so once the academic chair is logged in, you will come to this screen where is your generic stream for all the sisters to use, where each sister is able to, it's very simple, username and password to log in, log out, and then also check the login list to see who's currently on the list or who has been at study tables that night. And if you have not created an account yet, sisters are able to first click create an account. So if they this is the first time they go to study tables, or when the first time they use the system, you create an account, and this screen will pop up over it, and it will just enter your username, or enter your first and last name, your desired username, your desired password, and you create an account. So you create an account, and so from there on out, every time you come to study tables, you're able to log in, and it's that easy. Also, again, there'll be things when you're logging in, like it'll turn yellow to then understand like which line you're in, and there's also this password will turn into stars as well. So once you have created an account and you want to log in, also if you're going to log in there, if you don't enter the right username or password, this error will pop up saying that's the wrong username and password, try again. Okay, it's a simple error box. Let the user know that they are not entering the right information. So once you've logged in, you're able to once you log in and you click login, you are able to if you enter your information and you log in, it will come up with this. It will say, thank you, Tori, or whoever logged in. Tori's is an example, saying, thank you, Tori, your login time is 6:45 p.m., letting them know when they signed in. And also there will be a countdown to take a picture to help store information. So it will say taking picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It'll take a picture, and they'll see the camera will pop up, and it'll take a picture of them. A camera screen will specifically pop up, letting them know that their picture is being taken. So once that is done, sisters have logged in, and they are logged into the screen now, and they want to check the login list. This is for whoever wants to just use login, most likely the academic chair later on at night, to see who has been at study tables and who has not. This screen will pop up where it will give you the screen saying sisters who have signed in. And from here, it will give you an entire list of all the sisters who have logged in. This is just a few examples. And if you click on a name or one of the arrows, it will bring this screen up where it will expand, and it will show the picture that was taken of them when they logged in, the status if they are currently studying or if they've logged out. It'll show the time that they checked in and the time that they checked out once they log out later on. But this is just to show for to be able to keep better records for later on. And also the picture is easier, so when the academic chair goes back to check in to see who's logged in, she can match a face to a name who's logged in to make sure that no girl's lying about who's logged in and who has come to study tables, so you're more easily to understand who is telling the truth and who is not, and who is currently at study tables. And then you're also able to close it out and do the same thing with other names as well. So there's that, and then once you've done that, you want to come back. It'll come back to the screen, or sorry, it'll come back to this screen. And if you want to log out, you just click the log out button, and it'll bring you to this. It's pop up in front of it saying enter username to log out. The user will enter their username to log out. Click OK, and then from there it will tell you whoever is logging out. In this case, again, it's Tori, saying your logout time is 7:45 p.m. And that is the entire system that we have right now, and that is all.